FIRST is a great program because it fills in those holes that school leaves out.
We use robots to build people, not people to build robots. We teach kids how to be real people and how to handle deadlines and be accountable and deal with conflict and be able to work around that and be able to still be successful.
This is our robot lovingly called the R2B2. This basically is kind of an all-in-one go-getter. So we have like an elevator to help the robot climb onto the bar, a flywheel, two flywheel system to shoot out balls at kind of close range. We also have an intake system to kind of roll in balls to our shooter. And we even have just a little motor on the side for spinning the control panel.
Our team is kind of special because it's a student-led team with mentor guidance. So we can give our opinions and we can say, maybe not, but if the students want to do that, and they can convince the rest of the team to do that, then we do it. And it's a great way for students to learn a bunch of stuff that is super important once they get out of high school.
We're set up like an engineering firm and run things like a real world engineering team or engineering firm. We're giving experience that students don't get in the classroom. To get our team into competition and get to experience it, I mean, that's the big reward for all of the hours and hours of work that they put in. Get on FIRST website, firstinspires.org, and there's a button there that says Find FIRST near me. For FIRST Robotics, you can offer up mentor support. There's always openings for professionals to come in and lend their experience to students and show them how to do things that are done real world.